Fine day everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can remove, or in another word delete, current connected site on your Metamask wallet in Chrome extension. So this is not the app version of Metamask, this is for the extension version of Metamask. Alright, now remember, Metamask is a Ethereum based crypto storing wallet. It uses Ethereum network to transfer in and transfer out crypto. By default, it's going to use Ethereum network, but if you want to change the network, there's an option for that as well. And why do we need a crypto storing wallet? Well, that's a good question. So since crypto is digital, you can store it in a normal physical wallet. To store digital crypto, you need digital wallet, and MetaMask is one of that wallet. All right, so that's why you need wallet, and MetaMask is one of the secure wallet, so I would suggest you to use it. Now with that said, let me show you guys how you guys can remove your connected website in MetaMask. Now before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and let's jump into the video, shall we? So the first step, I'm gonna open my MetaMask wallet over here on my Chrome extension. After opening it, to remove your connected website, click on this three dot over here and then click on resist connected sites. Once you do that, it's gonna show you all the website, or like all the places like PancakeSwap and other places like Uniswap, where your MetaMask wallet is connected. And what you want to do is click on this dustbin icon over here. Once you do that, click on disconnect, and your wallet will be disconnected from that website. So yeah, that's how you guys can disconnect any connected website on your MetaMask account or MetaMask wallet. So yeah, hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel app tutorial, and bye bye.